Customizing your Substack website allows you to create a unique online presence that reflects your brand and engages your audience. Here's how to do it. Access settings. Log into your Substack account and click on your profile icon. Select settings from the drop-down menu. Customize appearance. Under the Design tab, you can modify your website's appearance. Choose a color scheme that aligns with your brand and upload a logo to enhance your visual identity. Set up the header and footer. Customize your header to include important links and your newsletter title. In the footer, you can add links to your social media accounts, an About section, or any other relevant pages. Create a welcome message. Use the About page to introduce yourself and your newsletter's purpose. This helps new visitors understand what to expect. Manage subscription settings. Under subscription, decide whether your newsletter will be free, paid, or a combination. Customize welcome emails for new subscribers. Preview changes. Use the preview option to see how your changes look before publishing them.